I'm going on a trip to Tennessee to relax and reconnect and unwind. Since I've become a mom, I have not done much for myself. You heard me? Fuck it. Let's book this trip, let's book this Airbnb and hit the road. This is mama's treat to herself, and damn it, I deserve it. I deserve it. So come with me, y'all. Bye. One triple. I think that's everything. Let's go. Was the best things in life you're not looking at. It's just how the grass was blowing, just the scenery. And I'm gonna make a conscious decision to pay more attention to those things that's right in front of me that I haven't been paying more attention to. Just continuously to be receptive, continue to be open and present. That's what this is also showing me. Continue to be present. Because when you're present, you could take in a lot more. When you're present, you can receive all the messages that is supposed to be for you. Life could be beautiful. Even insects can give you a message. At the doorstep there was a spider, and I believe that all living things have meanings and or can aid in your journey and teach you things along the way. And try to receive what the spider was trying to tell me, because it was right at the doorstep. Crazy. And also listening to what the wind had to say. The wind has a lot to say. Listen to the wind. They tell stories, give you moments and aspects of wisdom. If you open your mind to, and when I say open your mind, I don't mean like and go into a meditative state as that, but be present in the moment. Being present, you're taking in, you're receiving. You're receiving when you're being present. Whether you're sitting down watching a movie or, but practice being present in nature. There's nothing like it, because there's so much you can learn, so much that epiphanies that could come to your mind. Like just being out there in that nature was just mind blowing to me. And just being one. There's nothing like being out in nature that connects you back with yourself, connects you back with everything that is living around you. That's why I'm appreciative of this trip. being present. In the middle of nothing. And this is when I'm most happiest, when there's nothing going on. The wind and land. Simplicity. I think we need more of those moments when we're more present with ourselves. If you ever feel like you need to disconnect from like the world around you, do it. Because that's the universe's way of communicating with you. So today is the last day. The rest is what I really needed, and I believe I got that. So let's go ahead and get ready to leave. This is it. Last little walkthrough, back to the hustle bustle, back to regular life. This trip was well needed and I loved it. Thanks for coming with me on this journey. If you want more peace in your life, it starts with you. I have a peace over everything workshop that I'm working on. If you want to learn how to incorporate more peace in your life, Peace Over Everything workshop. You are a priority.
So I don't know what's wrong with these little waste men out here, eh? Y'all need to know yourself.